ora!
Kia ora!
Happy Te Wiki Te Reo Māori. Hey, so we had signed up for
Te wā Tuku Reo Māori.
Te wā Tuku Reo Māori, which is the Māori Language Moment, and at the at 12 o'clock. And if you look at our clock, it says 12. So don't look at your own clock, because that clock does say 12. So we did not change it at all. But this is our Māori Language Moment.
We were actually finishing a session.
We were teaching Reo Māori waiata to kids and families. So we were doing something, or we were saying goodbye, I can't remember.
Yeah.
But yeah, we thought we'd jump on anyway to celebrate, because we think it's awesome, the Whiri, to try and get 1 million people doing something with Te Reo Māori at 12 p.m, which our clock says 12 p.m, so we believe it's counted.
Yeah, we're rolling with it.
So we thought for our language moment, we are going to just emphasize what, Leah?
The vowels.
The vowels.
Yes, by singing.
Yeah, we are going to sing. So one of the most important things when you guys are learning, if anybody's learning Te Reo Māori, is mastering the vowels. What are our 5 vowels?
A,
A,
E,
E,
I,
O, O, U. Now if you can get all 5 of those perfectly, then with the tohuto, with the macron, how do they sound, Leah?
A,
E, E, O, U. We sound like a whale. O. Anyway, so master those vowels, hugely important in Te Reo Māori. Practice the R and the ng, and you've got it. It doesn't change. And the all right, we're going to do aha ma. So if you're at home, sing along with us. All right.
I'm starting.
You're starting here.
Aha ma
na tara tau na wha. E heke me ne pere te winge whe. E heke me ne pere te winge whe. Ohoko mo no poro tonga wha. A e I o u. Uhuku muru muru tuunga fu. All right, you can join us at home. Yeah, we can hear you.
Aha ma
na tara tau na wha. E heke me ne pere te winge whe. E heke me ne pere te winge whe. Ohoko mo no poro tonga wha. A e I o u. Uhuku muru muru tuunga fu. Yeah. All right, practice those vowels, and you will be speaking Te Reo Māori perfectly soon. Ka kite!